Alright, predicament. This light is crap. Now, I know that looks like there's a lot of light, but I need a little bit more. So I need to be able to note my phone here. So the idea is fucking arm assembly coming out that I can adjust around so that you can see different spots. Probably a distraction or procrastination. Luckily, I have plenty of shit R&D with. I have about every shape fucking cut and drilled already. This beautiful fucking stockpile. I don't know if I'm mad for keeping it, but found the first part of the robotic arm, I think. Alright. Here we go. Show this off. Hopefully this doesn't fucking fall.